Hello everyone, today I am going to show you what's inside a JIO SIM card. I think I should have uploaded this video much earlier, but let's see, there sahi. So here I have one JIO SIM card, and let us unbox it, what is inside it. Here you will see that how you can activate it. Here numbers are provided, then again there are some details and all. So let's open it up. Here, let's tear it down. Yes, I think okay, let me try. Yes, here we open up. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So after tearing it down, I have seen what's inside. Here you will get the SIM card. So let it get focus. Here you will see that you can get your micro SIM and nano SIM. Just you have to break it open from here. Okay, sweet luck from JIO. Here's some barcodes. Then you have some stickers. You can paste it wherever you want, in your laptop or in your cell phone. And here you have the steps. We can open it here. So let me open it up. So I have opened it up, and let's see what's inside. Let me try this with my one hand. So you can see here that how to insert the JIO SIM, then how to say hello, then save settings, and all these are there, some gizmos and jargons. So this is everything. Then there are certain things about JIO. I don't think you should read all that. Here is terms and condition. You should go through it. Then whether it is postpaid or prepaid. I have purchased this prepaid, and here you can see it is written in Assamese. Actually this is from Assam, so it's written in Assamese. I think based on your region it will be written in your own local language. So that's it guys. Here is your instructions, then some stickers, then your JIO SIM and a cover. So let me wait. They have told me that it will get activated within 3-4 hours. Thank you for watching my review.